This episode transforms a Mercedes G-Class into a desert raider built to tame dunes and rugged rock. A reinforced chassis, a tuned transfer case, and a lighter carbon body deliver true off-road leverage and dynamic performance. Cooling is the hurdle, solved with an active air scoop, bigger radiators, and smarter thermal routing. Iterative prototyping and on-trail data shape precise torque maps and tangible traction gains under varied conditions. The result sharpens handling, boosts climbing confidence, and deepens the driving bond with every sunlit mile and dusty horizon.